Happy late Halloween, good brothers and sisters. I gotta tell you, I have loved the FUNKO Mystery Minis since they started doing them. They did a horror set a few years ago that featured some of the Universal monsters, and I decided to sell them when I saw these come out. And I further decided to sell those when I saw these were in black and white. You had to go to Walgreens to get these. They were an exclusive there, and there are several Walgreens in my area. I found them at one, so I didn't have good luck finding those. I didn't buy them all out because honestly, I'm hoping maybe after Halloween they'll go on sale, but we'll see how we do. We're starting off good with one that I wanted real bad. We got Frankie. Now, these may not be exactly like the actors' portrayals from the movies, but it's got the Universal logo on it, so that's all that I care about. And there is a set out there of these guys in color that you can get at other stores, and I just didn't like those nearly as much. Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good, brothers. Really what I'd like to get is, pretty much all the heavy hitters. Basically the Monster Squad set. You got Frankenstein, Mummy, Gillman, Wolfman, Dracula. And, for a bonus, they do characters like Bride of Frankenstein and, Phantom of the Opera. And this dude from the Mole People. If we could avoid those, that'd be great. Invisible Man wouldn't be bad, but we'll see. Oh, good brothers. Good brother. And check him out. It's the Gill Man. Already starting off hot. I'm getting excited. I didn't think I was going to do this good. I was nervous. Should rip into these a little bit. Oh, dude. I thought we got a double for a second. We didn't. Check me out. Oh, got our first double. That's cool with me. I wouldn't mind getting this other version of Frankenstein on here with his little flower. Well, he's not listed on here, but I promise. Oh, there he is. There he's at the bottom. He's the one of 36. So that's a long shot, but we'll see. Oh, dude. We got him. Come on, right. We got Dracula. And guess who don't want to stand? Oh, well. Oh, no. We got another one. That version of Dracula is 1 in 6, so not much of a shot that you get multiples of those. We're down to the last one. Oh, dude, that's not too bad. But check us out, man. Basically, if I got to pick the ones that I would have got out of all the boxes, we got them. We basically got the Monster Squad set right here. So I'm happy. So happy.